Hi everyone, it's Stu here from 3B, and today I'm going to show you how to recalibrate your Echo Studio Pro. Now, unfortunately, Amazon don't give you a lot of information about this, and there's actually no automatic recalibration method when you take, say for instance, you want to move your Echo Studio Pro from one room to another and then you plug it in. It doesn't actually recalibrate itself. Amazon don't give you a lot of information about how to do this. In fact, there's no option to click within the Alexa app for you to recalibrate it, which would make a lot of sense, where you just press the calibration when you've moved your Echo Studio Pro and it would do it automatically. So I'm going to show you how to do it. It's pretty straightforward, it's pretty easy, and here we go.
Now in setup mode. Please follow the instructions in your Alexa app. Resetting your device. This will take about a minute. I'll let you know when it's done.